Here she sits, 1965 912. It's in for a bunch of different work. Replace the wheels. Got the windshield out of it right now. There was some work done to the dash. We gotta fix that. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see. But the radio area there, we gotta weld that up and fix that. And then gonna replace the interior. It's currently gray. It's gonna go back to black. Assortment of miscellaneous things that needs to be done on this car. Putting the radio back in it. Gonna replace this rear grille. Replace both badges in the back. Exhaust system's getting replaced. It's kind of funky. It's on there right now. Maybe show up underneath here. It's a stainless steel exhaust. Can try to replace that with original. Wheels here were widened 1 inch, so I've got another set out being re-chromed. Get them down to the right size. These are 195s on here right now. They're a little big. You don't get that turn-in feel that you should on an early car. But hopefully by spring, this thing will be ready to go.